Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the F5 TTS on your system. So there is actually no app version of F5 TTS, so you actually can install or download it on your system. But you can do is you can download all the audios from this F5 TTS, so that you can find this advanced text to speech synthesis with F5 TTS. So you can download this audio file or the speech file from this F5 TTS. You can simply click on try F5 TTS here. Now here you can explore the voice cloning, or you can find it has just loaded, where you can actually add a reference audio, then you can add the text that it will generate, then simply click on the synthesize, and this audio will be synthesized here, and you will be able to download it. Or if you are not able to download this generated audio from here, you can do is you can simply click on this you can go to the Mimic PC, and here it is, Mimic PC, and you have to simply sign into the Mimic PC. So where you can find it now, simply click on free launch, and you have to create an account if you don't have one. Now I'm going to launch this Mimic PC right now. Now you can use your Google account, or you can use your email address or a custom password. So I'm going with the continue with email, so the Google account. So simply click on continue, give all the permission that it asks for. Now here you can see I have just created my account from here. Now from here you can simply search for the F5 TTS. Here it is, you can find it like this. This search box will help you to get this app from here. Now click on start app, and it will start the app, and you can actually use this app by purchasing this plan from here. Then after purchasing this plan, you will be able to create and start this here. So simply click on create and start, and it is now loading here, so you have to wait until it loads completely. Now here it is, so delivering the message here, so you have to wait up to 30 seconds to 2 minutes to set up. So don't worry, its setup time will not be changed, so you have to wait until it loads. Here you can see the preparing data, then it will continue with launching. Then after launching, you can actually use this F5 TTS from here, and you can give the text that you want to convert to speech or audio, or you want to create any audio file, any sound effect, then you can use this F5 TTS, and you can get the file on your system by download it directly through your browser. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.